Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. You know that I am your lady Tania and you are watching the YouTube channel Chat Jamaican with Tania. For this week, our Jamaican people, we are celebrating Heritage Week. Our heritage is one of the most crucial parts of our identity as Jamaicans. Heritage celebrations help us to preserve this identity and our culture, which sets us apart from all the other countries. I will be introducing Mr. Errol Sinclair, chef, for over 50 years. He is one of our everyday heroes as he caters to others. Manager of the Tapioca Village Retreat and Attractions in St. Mary. He will discuss teas and some other beverages that our ancestors left with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more fulfilling videos.
Yeah man, because me love chat Jamaican. Me raise a bar like no other nation. This are the time for we all get wiser. Jamaica to the world, make we start work harder. We arise, we are pray in a this lovely place. Get rid of bad mind and learn we lesson. Lady Tania, queen of YouTube. Everything me do in the end it gets better. Yeah, it'll go better. Yeah, chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania.
Today guys, I am with Mr.
Errol Sinclair, Tapioca Village in St. Mary.
Alright, so guys, look at this.
Okay, this week is Heritage Week in Jamaica, and as part of the celebration, we are zeroing on teas and some of the beverages that our ancestors left with us. You will notice some artifacts around the place. The 3-foot pot, well, the percolator is new, but the chocolate in its form, from the tree to the bean, start drying to the finished bean, to the processed finished bean. This is the product. We grate this, boil it, and come up with
A cup of chocolate tea.
Cup of chocolate tea. Cheers.
Alright.
So, there are some others. This one is Dandelion.
Dandelion.
Dandelion. It tastes like coffee when it is processed.
Yes.
And next up is moringa.
How is the dandelion tea made?
It is shelled. The seeds are shelled like this. They're very tiny.
So this is the one that they said tastes like
coffee. Just like coffee.
So it's processed the same way as how you would do the coffee.
And the same way like
and the same like the chocolate.
You parch it, which is dry roasting it,
Yes.
and then you pound it, and then you don't necessarily have to make it into a ball, but you boil it. You like coffee, and it tastes just like coffee.
Okay.
Dandelion.
Okay.
Look it up, people. This one again is moringa.
Moringa.
Yes, a very potent, powerful tea.
So how people normally use a moringa
Yes, to make tea, and it even the seeds.
Yes.
When it put out the pods, the seeds are very strong in flavor, and there are persons who use the leaves and the stem to make capsule.
Oh.
So again, look it up, people. It is important for you to know.
Yes.
Over here we have ginger, good old ginger. And sometimes we marry ginger with garlic to make a lovely tea.
So ginger and garlic tea.
Very nice.
How is that done?
Draw them together.
So you put them in the pot.
Right. Bring it to the boil.
Yes.
Boil for about 15 minutes. Lock it off. Allow it to extract the goodness.
Yes.
Right? And the key about the garlic and the ginger is the garlic covers the flavor of the garlic.
Oh, okay.
So that lovely mix.
Yes.
Okay, over here is lime leaf. And you can use orange leaf and tangerine leaf.
Lime
and
leaf. I have had
any
lime
citrus
tea.
leaf. Any citrus leaf.
Lime leaf tea before.
Right.
Yes.
Over here we were leaving this one, the soursop leaf. Another
Okay.
potent tea.
Yes.
One of our persons who have cancer will.
Drink the soursop
Yes, yes,
tea.
Yes.
Also, it's good for some form of
Yes,
sickness.
Yes, yes. All of
Okay.
these things have health benefits.
Yes.
This is fever grass,
Mm-hmm.
popularly called lemongrass. And again, another potent candidate for teas. But this one a lot of people don't know about. This is hibiscus.
Yes.
The country shoe black as we know it.
And they use the hibiscus plant for tea.
Yes.
Where the flowers part.
The flower, yeah.
How they go about making that?
Same process. Bring it to the boil,
Yes.
cover it, allow it to seep, and there you go. And you can have it cold as well, so you can make a drink. As a matter of fact, over here we have an example of marrying the hibiscus with the guava. And this is the result.
Yes, yes.
Right? Again, the potency. This is the good old mint. Same country mint. Lovely flavor.
Okay.
Over here is Mr. Cinnamon.
So which the people normally do the cinnamon tea green or dry?
It can be done green or dried.
Okay.
Especially people abroad who come to Jamaica, they dry all of these stuff and package and take them home.
Yes.
Right? So Soomba, I mean this very unusual.
So Soomba
plant.
is used to make tea.
Can make tea, yes. This is the fruit, and this is the leaves.
It's a leaf that is used to make
Right,
the tea.
leaves they use to make the tea.
And it's the same process as
Same
the
process.
others.
This is another one now. As a animal name, this is ram goat dash along.
Ram goat.
dash along.
Ram goat dash along.
You Google it, you'll find it. And you
Yes.
see all the benefits. Again, same process. Bring it to the boil. Seep it for 10 to 15 minutes, and you're ready to
Ready
drink.
to drink.
This is French time.
French thyme.
Yes.
So, and it looks similar to it's an aloe vera.
Not the aloe vera. The aloe vera have a
It looks
stem.
similar to the other smaller stem one.
Oh, to the tuna.
Tuna. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
But it has a strong smell.
Very strong smell.
My first time people usually use and season up instead of season up them.
Oh, so this was used as a season before.
Yeah, you can use that as a season.
Okay. Yes.
So, today, in recognition of our heritage again, we did some bananas, ripe bananas, wrapped in bacon. So it's bacon wrapped banana.
Yes.
And this is a snack. And over here we have stamp and go. And all of these things do well with and not net. We could have bulla here, we could have bun, we could have cookie. But we
Yeah.
choose to have these today.
For the
Yes. For the accompaniment of the tea.
yes.
So that's the story on teas. Over here, and this we continue with tea. This set is known as a Demeter's set.
Demeter's?
Demeter's.
Yes.
So it's half the cups are half the size of a regular cup.
Okay.
So this is for tea time. People just sip the little tea. Right? This tell you what some of our grandparents used to have.
What is the name of that?
These are mugs. Enamel mugs.
Oh.
And I would not be surprised if there were people who used to drink this off.
Yes,
With
full
tea.
of juice. Oh, tea.
Tea and juice. This is another one.
Yes, I know that one. I know that one.
And you know, this is the kettle.
Yes.
And over here, persons will be cooking, boiling some of these tea in the iron pot of all the time.
Yes. Okay.
So we're just proud of our heritage. And if more of us was sticking to some of these traditional way of eating, it will keep us away from the doctor. Here's our flag, we're proud of it.
Yes. Black, green, and gold.
And today we celebrate with our footballers. Right?
We have one.
Give yes to nail to Honduras. That's a blessing.
Yes, definitely. All right, so Mr. Sinclair, I want to thank you for being a part of the program. Thank you for highlighting the different leaves that can be used to make tea. And this is a plus for me. The hibiscus flower. Because I didn't know that the flower could be used to make tea. And also I taste the drink with the guava and the hibiscus on the inside, and it's very tasty. So guys, this is something that I think you should try, and you will enjoy the taste of both of them naturally. All right, so final words.
Happy Heroes Week. And remember, the past is important because we are here because of what's happening in the past. It helps us to shape the future.
Okay, all right, thank you and bye. I'll just show again. The cocoa smell this, the chocolate
Yeah.
smell the strongest.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the blue draws,
This is the cornmeal.
the cornmeal one. How you mix the cornmeal?
The milk, a little flour, the cornmeal, vanilla, nutmeg, sugar, raisin, coconut milk.
Okay.
You don't make it too watery.
Yeah, and then at the end it's sweet or
Yeah, you have to add sugar.
add sugar to it.
Boy.
The boil.
Oh, you boil it.
So like how you make pudding.
Yes.
It's the same mixture as food.
Okay. I do hope that you enjoy this program and have learned a lot from Mr. Errol Sinclair. Teas are very important to our Jamaican people, and it is indeed a part of our heritage. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican with Tania. Little more. Bye.
Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of